Get the edge with up-to-the-minute Forex market news and insights. The United Kingdom's SB Global Composite PMI fell to 49.7 in May 2026, sliding below the crucial 50.0 mark that separates expansion from contraction in private sector activity. The latest reading, updated on June 2026, compares with the previous level of 50.6 recorded in May 2026, signaling a notable loss of momentum in the UK economy. A move from 52.6 to 49.7 suggests that what had been moderate growth has shifted into mild contraction across the combined manufacturing and services sectors. While the figures remain close to the neutral line, the drop highlights mounting pressure on business activity and could influence market expectations around growth prospects, corporate earnings, and future monetary policy decisions. Investors and analysts will now watch upcoming PMI releases and official economic data closely to determine whether May's downturn proves temporary or marks the start of a more persistent weakening in UK economic conditions. The material has been provided by robotfx.org. Never miss news-driven moves. Use the News OCO Expert Advisor to place pending orders safely around economic releases. Find out more. Stay informed and trade smarter with RobotFX products. Discover more at robotfx.org.